name is Akash Konaswaran and I'm here learning Python.
Hi, my name is Abhilash Salvanjan and I'm here learning Python. Hi, my name is Jana Pamakumar and I'm here learning Python. We are the core crafters Python.
Good. So, shall we start some team building activities? So, first one, we are going to start with Jonathan. Two truth and one lie. So, everyone have to say two truth, one lie, and other people have to find out which is the lie. Okay, first start, Jonathan.
My birthday gift was on as a laptop. The first trophy I had was the SC4K trophy, and I went to France before.
Any guess, guys? Which can be the lie?
The birthday present.
No, wait. You say one.
His first trophy was at SC4K.
I think it's the birthday present.
Okay. What
It
is the
was
right?
the France.
Oh.
I never went to France before.
You never went to France? Okay. So the other two are correct. Truth and one is the lie.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go with Cornes now. Sorry, Agish. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. I have a pet goldfish. I have a phone and I'm really good at drawing.
Okay.
He's very good at drawing.
That's a lie?
Yes.
Okay.
He's very good at drawing.
That's correct?
Yeah.
So easily they found it. Good. Okay. So you didn't give much tough for them. Okay. Right. Now you.
My favorite sport is soccer. I went to Sri Lanka when I was 5. For my birthday, I got a Lego set. Lego set.
That's a lie?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a lie.
Yeah, like I said.
Both of you are saying same?
No.
No. So what was the lie?
My favorite sport is soccer.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Good, but it's okay. Right, very good.
At least
Very
we
good.
learned about each other.
At least you guys now know a little bit more, right? Otherwise you are coming to class and going back home. Right. Now, next toughest thing. We are going to do the blindfolded drawing.
Oh.
Okay. So, Abhilash is going to draw. You are okay, right? To draw. Okay.
No, can he draw?
Me? I'm not good at drawing.
Okay, Abhilash, go draw.
What he is going to draw is still secret because he should not know, right? If he knows, he will easily draw it. So after he blindfolded only, I will give you the what he has to draw. You have to instruct him what to do step by step. Okay? Right. So who is going to make him blindfolded? Like
I can.
Okay. Someone help Abhilash to go to that board.
Okay, Abhilash, get up. Trust me. I don't trust you, Jonathan. Trust me, my friend, please. Yo, calm, okay? Calm. I am not
Careful.
calm. Steady, be steady, okay? Okay, I got a marker in your hand, okay? No, you don't. Yes, I do. No. And I do. Okay, here. Hold it, please. Okay, this is the board, okay? I'm gonna hold the board.
Okay.
draw.
So 1 second. No, I had to tell you what it is. Okay, don't tell the name. You have to instruct only. Like for an example, draw a circle.
See through that.
Oh, that's okay. But don't do that, okay?
Okay.
Don't do that. Just, okay. Here you go. Can you guys instruct?
Yep. Okay, so
So,
draw a circle.
yeah, draw a big circle
Okay.
in the center.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, draw 2 circles, one in the left, one in the right.
Oh.
Okay.
Now draw a straight line.
In the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. No.
That's okay. That's okay. It's a fun. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Okay, you keep it like that and do it. Okay. Then what is the last instruction?
Okay. At the bottom, draw like a curve.
Draw a very wide U. Oh.
Okay. Right. Now open your eyes. So, do you know what to draw?
What?
Can you guess what it is?
I'm
Smiley face.
not here. You messed up here by accident.
That's okay. Nobody can draw it without seeing.
Yeah. It's okay.
You put a circle, okay? But yeah, good job, guys. Good job. The last activity. Come. Good job, Who is that?
Abhilash.
Abhilash.
Okay, go back to it.
Are you able to remove it? Okay, right. Now it's something like a brainstorming activity as a team. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a paper which is asking about how to improve self-learning, because I know you guys have some self-learning some point, because I observe both of you, but I'm not sure about Agesh, but Jonathan and Abhilash, you started to learn by yourself so many things. That's why, so very small age you started Python, right? So otherwise you had to learn Scratch for a long time, right? So everyone talk together how you will advise other kids how to improve the self-learning. Self-learning is more important, right?
Yeah.
Because why? The reason is teachers can teach you only limited stuff, right? Because within 1 hour we cannot teach everything to you. So if we say something, we are a guides for you,
Yeah,
not
guidance.
then you had to go and do the self-learning, right? So can you start?
Okay, so how would we improve self-learning? You can watch tutorials. You can watch tutorials about how to do the thing you want to learn.
YouTube tutorials or
Like if you want to learn how to code Scratch or Python, you can go search it up, and then simple tutorials will come up.
good. How about Agesh?
You could like try to figure out what way of learning that you're very good at. For example, visual, auditory, like whichever you're very good at learning from.
For your, because everyone's brain won't be same. So some people like learn quickly from the visual things.
Yeah.
Some can listen and learn like that. Okay, right. How about you?
If you're not that like good at something, when you go home, you can maybe make a new program and keep trying it until like you're really good at it.
Good,
And
very good.
maybe keep doing that like that every time you learn something new. Then just when you go home, like keep, if you're not good at it, then just keep practicing it, and then you'll be good by the next week. And when you learn something new, you'll go fast.
Correct. So if you like, for an example, what he's trying to say is, your one also a good point. Everyone's is a good point. So like what he's saying is like, if he struggle on some project he's doing at class, he doesn't want to give up. Once he go back home, he's going to try that again and again, or go search about that and learn by himself to solve that coding, right?
Okay.
Is that so? Yeah, very good. So why do you think self-learning is important?
It's because then the teachers can only teach us limited. She's like the teacher is like a guidance to you to learn bigger stuff.
Correct. So if they say one terminology, you can go and search a lot about that and learn a lot about that, right?
Yeah.
Good. How about you? What do you think? Like, why self-learning is important, or why we need to do self-learning?
I mean, what you said is also true. Like 1 hour isn't really enough for the teacher to teach like a lot. So then if you learn by yourself, it'll help you and your teacher.
Correct. So in a like, for an example, if you take a Python code, like, so the teacher can help you to learn about if condition, while loop, whatever, and maybe one project to implement the while loop, one project to implement the if condition. But if you go home and search a lot and you try different programming, you'll be more familiar, more confident, right?
Yes.
Good. How about you?
Like in case you don't have anyone to teach you anything, it's more easier if you know how to self-learn. So
Correct. So like, not nowadays, okay, you have schools and parents and guidance and all the classes, but when you grow up more and more, you should depend on more self-learning, right? Even when you go to a work, even still we are adults, we are still learning by ourselves, right? We don't go to school, but we learn by ourselves. So self-learning is a very good habit to improve from the very small age. Okay, good job, guys. Thank you so much for your time. So
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Bye.